Hello my friend, have you ever been in a situation when you finish your project, you were rendering for long hours and finally it's done. And then you double check it and you see that out of a sudden all the fonts changed.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
And right now I'm gonna show you how to fix that issue. So yeah, that's what I have, and there is missing font, Fairplex Narrow. For me to fix it, I just need to open Adobe Creative Cloud desktop. I will even show it nearby. You will see the moment where font will change. So here we go to the Adobe fonts, and you see I have Fairplex Narrow. So let's turn it off, deactivate it, and then we will go in previously active and activate that font. And you could see how it will change here right away. I'm not sure what is the core reason of why it's happening. First it was happening to me every time when I open Photoshop, in the same time with the Premiere, but later on it starts to happening without the reasons. The solution I showed you is just a temporal one, and if you know some big solution which will solve that problem completely, let me know in the comments and I will make another video to people to know. Cheers.